Another day, another story. It's not a planet. It's an asteroid. This is the asteroid 16 Psyche. It contains an estimated $700 quintillion worth of gold, give or take a couple quadrillion. There's enough gold there to make everybody on Earth rich beyond our wildest dreams. Welcome to Turbo Eminent Channel. We're talking if this was split evenly for everybody, we'd all get something like 87 billion worth of gold. Except that much gold would literally make it worthless. Well, that and the fact so many people want it. Supply and demand. 16 Psyche is a large metallic asteroid located in the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter. It is notable for its unique composition, as it is believed to be made mostly of metal, unlike most other asteroids that are primarily composed of rock or ice. Scientists think that 16 Psyche could be the exposed core of a protoplanet, offering a rare glimpse into what the core of planets like Earth might look like. NASA has shown significant interest in 16 Psyche because of its potential to provide insights into planetary formation and the nature of metallic cores. NASA's Psyche mission, launched in 2023, aims to study the asteroid up close. The spacecraft is expected to arrive at 16 Psyche in 2029 after traveling millions of miles. By orbiting and studying the asteroid, the mission will gather data that could reshape our understanding of the building blocks of the solar system. A window into planetary formation. One of the most exciting aspects of 16 Psyche is the hypothesis that it could be the leftover core of an early planet. During the early formation of the solar system, planets were created through the process of accretion, where dust and small bodies combined to form larger ones. In some cases, collisions between these early planetesimals would strip away their outer layers, leaving behind exposed cores. 16 Psyche could be one such relic, a protoplanet that never fully formed. If true, this would give scientists an unprecedented opportunity to study what a planetary core looks like without having to drill into Earth's own core, something we currently have no way of doing. The Psyche mission is designed to answer key questions about this possibility. By orbiting the asteroid and collecting data with instruments that measure its magnetic field, surface composition, and topography, scientists hope to determine whether it really is an ancient core and what that could tell us about planetary differentiation, the process by which planets develop distinct layers like cores, mantles, and crusts. NASA's Psyche mission, Journey and Goals. The NASA Psyche spacecraft was launched in 2023, marking a significant step forward in asteroid exploration. The spacecraft is on a trajectory that will take about 6 years to reach its destination, expected to arrive at 16 Psyche by 2029. Upon arrival, the spacecraft will orbit the asteroid for 21 months, mapping and studying its surface with various instruments. These include a magnetometer, a gamma-ray and neutron spectrometer, and a multispectral imager. One major goal of the mission is to determine if 16 Psyche retains a remnant magnetic field, which would indicate that it was once molten and had a dynamo, much like Earth's core. Another focus is to analyze the metal-rich composition of the asteroid, which will help scientists learn more about the conditions that prevailed during the early stages of planetary formation. What's Psyche made of? While 16 Psyche is primarily made of metals, it's not entirely composed of iron and nickel. Observations from Earth-based telescopes suggest that it might also contain significant amounts of silicate rock, implying it may not be a pure metal core but a more complex body. Understanding the precise mix of materials is one of the mission's key objectives. The asteroid is about 225 kilometers, 140 miles, in diameter, making it one of the largest objects in the asteroid belt. Its surface is thought to be relatively smooth, though cratered from impacts over billions of years. By mapping these craters, scientists can also estimate the asteroid's age and its history of collisions. Economic speculation and reality check. One of the more sensational aspects of 16 Psyche's story is its potential economic value. Because it is believed to be made largely of iron, nickel, and possibly precious metals like gold or platinum, some estimates have placed its value at $10,000 quadrillion. This has sparked discussions about asteroid mining and its potential to revolutionize the global economy. However, such speculation is far from realistic in the near future. The current space technology is not yet advanced enough for large-scale mining missions, and even if it were, bringing back such vast quantities of metals would dramatically impact their market value. The cost and logistics of mining asteroids are also currently prohibitive. Psyche and the future of space exploration. NASA's Psyche mission is part of a broader trend in space exploration that focuses on learning more about the small, often overlooked objects in our solar system. Asteroids, in particular, are of great interest because they are considered time capsules that have remained relatively unchanged since the solar system's formation. The Psyche mission also represents humanity's growing ambition in space. As we push further into the final frontier, missions like this one are laying the groundwork for future exploration, including potential manned missions to asteroids or other planets. Ultimately, the story of 16 Psyche is one of mystery, exploration, and discovery. Whether it turns out to be the core of a long-lost protoplanet or something else entirely, the mission promises to shed light on questions that have puzzled scientists for decades, giving us a better understanding of both the history of our solar system and the future of space exploration. The future, could Psyche be a base for exploration? Another intriguing question that scientists and futurists are considering is whether asteroids like 16 Psyche could serve as bases for human space exploration. Given its size and stable orbit in the asteroid belt, 16 Psyche could, in the very distant future, become a refueling station, mining outpost, or even a scientific research base for missions heading further into the solar system. Asteroids are more accessible than planets like Mars in some respects, due to their lower gravity and lack of atmospheres, which makes landing and taking off easier. If space agencies or commercial enterprises could figure out how to create sustainable infrastructure on an asteroid, it could be a major milestone in humanity's push to colonize other parts of the solar system. The broader impact, what 16 Psyche teaches us. Ultimately, the significance of 16 Psyche extends far beyond the asteroid itself. It's part of a growing body of knowledge about the origins of our solar system and the processes that shape the planets, moons, and smaller bodies that surround us. If 16 Psyche is indeed the core of an ancient protoplanet, it could reveal secrets about how planetary bodies formed, differentiated, and evolved billions of years ago. Additionally, the mission demonstrates humanity's growing capability in space exploration. The ability to launch a spacecraft, travel millions of miles, and conduct complex scientific experiments on a distant asteroid showcases the technological advancements made in the space sector. It also opens the door to future missions that might take us further from Earth than ever before. In this way, 16 Psyche is not just a metallic asteroid, it's a symbol of our quest for knowledge, our technological ambitions, and the mysteries of space that continue to inspire and challenge us. Thanks for watching. Request you to subscribe the channel.